Hello, welcome back to the CoCo 2 Restore. The last video we unboxed it and tried it out and it all seemed to be working. You might think, why are we not done? It works. We can wipe it off, use it. Many people could. I'm going to take this a little bit further, and this video hopefully will motivate that a little bit. We're actually going to take the CoCo apart and sort of inspect the inside, and you'll get a feel for why you might want to do what I'm going to do in the later videos, which is cleaning and getting keyboard in better shape. We're going to do retro bright, do a memory upgrade. But this video kind of shows the inside, and warning for the faint of heart, there's a little bit of a scary incident at the end.
All right, so here's the CoCo as of last time. Remember, we've got a foot missing. We'll fix that later. We have about 6 screws to take out. Kind of save those. These aren't all the same size. They sort of go from the keyboard back, the 2 that are the shortest and the 2 that are the middle size, and then the longest in the back. Tandy did that on a lot of their computers, including the Z80s, so you have to be careful that you're dealing with all the screws the right size. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, the warranty sticker was not broken, so here we go. We'll not be able to take it back to Radio Shack for warranty work after this video, but I think we'll be okay. All right, get all the screws out. Make sure we don't lose them. Two of them didn't come out. Give it another go. I want to make sure they're all out so I don't have one sort of half stuck and it'll drop at the least opportune time and I won't be able to find it. There we go. That's 6. Yay. All right. Once we're at this point, we can just gently lift the cover off. Cover looks good. Yellowed. From this angle, doesn't look too bad. One thing I immediately notice is all the chips are socketed. So to get the keyboard out, you sort of grab it firmly and kind of pull it up, but you want to be careful not to rip it. So I'm sort of wondering what's going on here. It's a little bit snug, but just making sure there's nothing odd. Doesn't look like there is, so I'll give it a little more force, and we got it out without destroying anything, hopefully. All right. I will definitely notice there's not much protection on the AC power. You want to be careful. Obviously, this is not plugged in. You want to be careful about that. Because in this CoCo model, I have one almost exactly the same. It gets really hot on that power transformer. And the other odd thing about it is the power switch doesn't actually cut off the AC power. The transformer's always on in this CoCo, so that's bad. All right, we'll take some pictures inside. I'll get a feel. It's a little bit dusty and dirty inside. You can sort of see here it's unscrewed. The motherboard's out. It's kind of the support chips, pretty grungy inside here. Here's the processor, a little bit grungy and dirty. We'll want to clean this up. The ROM chips, really dirty. Can't even read what those are. We're going to want to clean all this up. Here's the power switch, quite dirty. The scary part I told you about, there's the transformer, and underneath it, ooh, spiders. Wow, little spider nest going on there. That's pretty amazing. A little bit scary. Wow. All right, so these are the 16K chips. These are actually MCM 4517s. They're kind of the Tandy branded ones. I'm going to be replacing these as we upgrade it to 64K. These are super useful for Model 1s to go to a 5-volt only Model 1, so I'll definitely be keeping them. All right, so here's the motherboard outside the computer. You can see the keyboard. We're definitely, hopefully I've motivated to you why we want to do a lot of cleanup on this, including the keyboard, which is just as nasty inside as the yucky ROM chips you can see in the middle of the photo there. So the next video, though, I'm going to shift and refocus on the case, and we're going to do some retrobiting on the case. So that'll be the next video, and then we'll get back into working on this after that. So again, reminder, this will be at the no minimum bid auction at Tandy Assembly 2024. So I hope to see you at Tandy Assembly at the end of September.